YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Thrax. Now I'm back in the building once again. I want to start this video off by thanking y'all for rocking with me, sticking with me, man. I know it's been a while since I made my last video, but as y'all can see behind me, I kind of been switching up the whole setup again. So y'all give me some ideas, get down in the comments, let me know how y'all think it looks so far, but I'm actually not done with it yet. So y'all just let me know. It's more LEDs coming. I got more displays coming. We gonna have some stuff coming, bro. I promise y'all gonna like it. I hope y'all gonna like it. But I want to go ahead and jump into this video so y'all can see what I got today. Y'all lock it with me. Alright y'all, so we back in the building. It's Thrax.kicks. Y'all already know. If y'all ain't familiar with the channel and y'all can get familiar with the channel, go watch some of my other videos. I'll be popping some links up. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all those things, man, because it helps the algorithm, helps me to bring y'all better content, more content, and get more shoes, man. So today, I'm gonna be looking at, it's not two pair of shoes, it's one pair of shoes, but I got a couple pair of shoes that came out last Saturday. And just like last year, I wanted to get me and my daughter a matching pair of shoes for my birthday. So I got her a pair and I got me a pair. That's where the two pair of shoes is coming from, but it's actually the same pair of shoes. However, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and I'm gonna give y'all a good look at how these look, and I'm gonna give my honest opinion on these and tell y'all if it was worth it. Ooh, I was real. She got the fancy box. As always, she get the black and gold box every time, because the kids always come in the black and gold box. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, that is an 8C. Those are for my daughter. She was a 7C. She should be growing into an 8C by the time my birthday rolls around. With that being said, I went ahead and got her the 8C just because I don't want them to be flopping around on her feet. I want them to be comfortable for her. But we're gonna go ahead and crack into these things. Oh man, I love these, bro. Sheesh. I should have opened mine first. But anyway, take a look at those, bro. The Air Jordan 1 Varsity Red. These are cold. Even in her size, these are cold. I am loving these. Oh man, y'all don't understand my obsession that I have with Letterman jackets. And this got the same material that a Letterman jacket would have on it. You got the corduroy. Oh man, you got I can't even remember what it's called. Anyway, the Nike swoosh has got like the lettering that you would have on a Letterman jacket. You know, you got the color contrast that you would have like on a Letterman jacket. I mean, these are cold, bro. Leather is pretty good quality. I feel a little bit tumbled leather on that toe. Jordan, is that what y'all did on the kids? Okay, it's buttery for sure. I don't know if it's tumbled, but it's definitely buttery. All the other leather on here is about the same as it would be on any other Jordan. But insoles, let's see. Plain insole, it don't have no kind of Jumpman on these. Inside ain't got no type of Jumpman. I probably can't even see it, but yeah, no Jumpman. That's crazy. I don't know, Jordan. I like them, but I'm all about details too. So I mean, y'all ain't got that slight detailing on the insole. Like, I'm gonna compare them. I'm gonna see how they compare to my size. One thing for sure, they still gonna get rocked. Me and my baby girl still gonna rock these, so I ain't worried about that. Let's go ahead and pop it to my pair real quick. And if anybody wants to know, I got these through a combination of Hibbett Sports and the sneakers app. So my pair came from Hibbett Sports. All right, so as y'all can see right there, I got these from Hibbett. These were actually sitting on Hibbett for a good little minute the morning of, so I was able to get my pair. Since these are a women's shoe, I did get a size 11 in these. As y'all can see on the box, I got me a size 11. And since these are a women exclusive, well, let me not lie to y'all. Both women exclusives that I've gotten in a size 11, they have come in the red box. So I'm just gonna assume that women's exclusives come in red boxes now. But I could be wrong, because I think that Atmospheres might not have came in a red box. Probably blue and pink, but I don't know. Let's not dive too deep into that. Let's look at this shoe. Woo! Ooh! Ooh! This how you feel? Okay, Jordan. See, why you ain't been... Jordan, you could have been putting this out the whole time you was putting out them trash ass color them ones, bro. Like, for real. Like, you could have been putting these... Anyway. All right, let's get started. let's get started on this shoe, bro. So on the toe box, we do have that buttery leather, and then around the toe cap area, you got the red leather as well. It's accenting the white oh so well. And then on the tongue, you got this real smooth corduroy right here, bro. Like this is nice. This is nice to the touch. It's kind of like a plush tongue. Almost remind me of like an SB. It's a little bit thicker than my other Jordan 1 tongues that I got. I don't have another, well, I do have another pair, but it's out of reach right now. But I mean, it's definitely thicker than most Jordan 1 tongues that I've seen. You did get the 2 pair of laces in there. You get a red pair that comes in it, laced in it out the factory, and then you get a white pair stuck on the left shoe. And like I said, that material on the swoosh, man, you get that varsity, you know, Letterman jacket material, like what's on the lettering and the numbers that you put on your Letterman jacket. I'm thinking that's where the varsity theme is coming from. That's pretty dope. I like that. Like I said, I am big into Letterman jackets, bro. Like I probably own like 10 Letterman jackets right now, and they're, you know, that's pretty insane for how much they cost. But yeah, man, they got the gray on the collar, the back collar, to accent the gray that's on that tongue, and then they also got a little hit of gray right there. And I'm loving that. I'm loving the hints that go with the wings. You know, it's all about the detailing for these. Love how they did the whole bottom in red. Y'all know I like my red bottoms. And then, you know, the inside of the shoe, they actually, on these, went with that red Nike Air to complement the red on the shoe. So I'm not mad at these at all, We ain't even got to the right shoe yet. Oh man, this might be my favorite part. If I can open this up and see how this actually looks, this might be my favorite part of the shoe. Let me tell y'all, before I even open this, I never ever wear my hang tags on my shoes, bro. Like ever. I always take them off. I put them on I got a collection of the Air Jordan 4 hang tags on my door. Like, you know, I just never wear them because I'm like, they're hang tags. They're like keychains, bro. But this one, let me go ahead and take this off so I can see how this thing actually looks, man. And if it actually looks good, I might leave this on. Oh, yeah, I might actually leave that on the shoe because that is, oh my gosh, that's dope. I mean, look at that, man. This is crazy to me because they could have, I know they've had concepts of this, obviously, because they just dropped this, but Nike could have been doing this for months, years. Like this whole Jordan 1 hype should have been stuff like this. And nobody wants these now because the Jordan hype has taken over so much. But they should have been doing ones like this where it's like an actual, you know, theme behind it. Good color blocking. It come with very good detailing. But, you know, they want to put out $30,000 of trash over, you know, freaking $300 worth of good stuff. So I don't know, man. That's me personally. I think Travis Scott had a very good run, but I think he's also coming to an end. The last Travis Scott lows that dropped, I was not feeling them at all. I wasn't even mad that I probably wasn't gonna hit on them. I ain't even try. But I mean, Jordan 1's been kind of like up and down on the ones, man. Like I've been disappointed, but this is one y'all definitely knocked out the park. And it's one of my few cops that I've gotten this year. Might be one of my last cops that I get this year just because I want to financially get myself into a better position. But with that being said, speaking of financially better decisions and stuff like that, I'm actually venturing out more into YouTube, and I actually got a good group that I'm working with, man. It is called NNG. No name game, bro. And then go check us out. I'm gonna tag them down in the description below, and y'all gonna see just how much work we've been putting in, bro. It's been a great experience to work with these guys. We went out to Charlotte a couple weekends ago, got some 40 times done, some NFL combine type stuff. We did some 1v1 wide receiver things, stuff like that, bro. We played 4-on-4 basketball. We raced go-karts, did all type of stuff, bro. Like good content, really good content, and it's funny content too. I think all of us bring something good to the table. So I'm going to give y'all a link to that so that y'all can actually go and subscribe to NNG, because I want my whole family here. The whole Thrax pack, I think that's a new thing too. Thrax pack, y'all like that? I want the whole Thrax pack to go follow NNG because these are some great folks that I'm working with, man, and I feel like we're gonna be big. But like I said, man, I'm here to make some better financial decisions. I'm here to actually put myself in a better spot. Not saying that I'm hurting too bad, but you know, I can always be doing better. We can always be doing better, bro. We shall always want to progress and get more money and get more shoes. Cause more money gonna equal more shoes for me, bro. And that's why I'm getting all this space. Shout out to my moms. I got a video coming. But yeah, she gave me more space for my shoes on this side. I already had the sneaker store, or sneaker store. The container store containers, so those were already there, but shout out to my mom's because she got me 12 more places to put my shoes over here, and these are actually pretty premium. These are actually better than my sneaker store containers that I got, and she got them for me for the low while I was in Augusta. So shout out to my moms, man. Shout out to my mom. She been helping me out. She been rocking with me, watching all my videos. Thank you, Mom. If you're watching this, I love you. And I just want to say, go follow Energy as well, because you're going to get just as much content out of them as you are me, Mom. So go follow them too. But I don't want to hold y'all much longer. I don't want to keep up all y'all time. I'm actually going to go ahead and bow out. I got some stuff I want to do in the house today. So I just wanted to pop in, show y'all the newest shoes that I got. I know that the description wasn't as in-depth as it usually is, but with that being said, I do have a lot of stuff I need to do. My sneaker setup isn't exactly where I want it to be at, and I want to bring y'all the best. So I know that it's not where it's supposed to be at. That's why I really was hesitant to put it on camera. But once I get it together, I promise y'all, the content gonna continue to keep rolling, and the content from Energy is actually gonna be rolling as well. I have a little bit more help with that, so y'all will be able to see that. But all I want y'all to know is that I appreciate y'all rocking with me. I'm rocking with y'all. Thank y'all for liking, subscribing, sharing, doing all of that stuff. Thank y'all for pulling up on the other videos that I've done. Thank y'all for pulling up for Energy. If you have pulled up for Energy already, I love y'all, man. This has been Thrash Kicks, and I'm out.